I decided today that I'm gonna show you some of the stuff I do in the backend when developing the system. Probably all the things I do are not always like enterprise correct and not the best practices, whatever, yeah, nonsense. But yeah, this is my usual, command I apply the changes to. It's a copy, yes, I know, it can tell me off. So what I'm trying to do today is to design some labels and print them for my imaginary products. Okay, this should be a length of 13 characters in kinder stuff. Great. Is it 13? Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 13. That maybe there's just one too much for EN13. That's why it's complaining. Copy again. Refresh the page. Here we go. That's sorted. And it creates a little checksum, which is 7 in this case. Great. So that's what I want to do. And what I have here, yes, I'm using SQLite as my backend. This is testing, so no one really cares. I got a product master, probably, if the mouse works, probably should stretch it out a notch and start slowly applying these new barcodes. So we'll start with sorting this by name. Why it doesn't sort? Okay, you know what? It doesn't matter. Okay, we'll go with the 350 first. If I could speak properly, would be good. So 330 has. I'm gonna go here. Go to the 350. That's the individual barcode. You can see and 7.2 at the end, and I'm sure it will tell me that there is a 8 or a 0. That is a 0 at the end. Okay, cool. So I need to splash a lovely 0 here at the end and apply, and the outer code for 350 is 32. Okay, this should be the same as this without any major changes. Yup. And this is my outer code. The reason for all of this is because I am trying to create like a proper test bench, so to speak, an environment where I can actually do things properly-ish, not just botched when I'm using just random products and find the shops and use those barcodes because that's the only thing I have on hand. So I'm trying to create some of my random barcodes and use it that way. And there is a checksum here, and it's at 6. So 6 it is. Apply it. And now the normal case barcode for this one. So it's okay. Did I do some of it? Yes, I did some of it before, but I think it's still missing a 7 at the end. Yes, it's an 8-digit now. Very good. So the last thing that's remaining is the king card. Yeah, I totally made it up, as most of it anyway is made up. But doesn't matter, we'll do the trick. So this is the barcode I am using. So get it in here, and what is the parity check, whatever, 7. Nice and easy. Apply that, and this one, that should be the same. Yup, looks like it. 8 digits, there's this double, yeah, okay, perfect. So now there is that. Right, the changes, very good. So now when I go to my, here we go, product lookup, the barcodes are here. I've obviously changed some of the bin numbers, wiped all the stock because I want to kind of keep it nice and clean for the demos that will come. So I changed the bin numbers, the bigger one, there are less in the case, and there are more tests on the pallet. Still, pallet quantity is 56, and I changed the units of sale to eaches because, yeah, that makes more sense. I'm not selling them, quote unquote, selling in cases. So yeah, there is that. The next thing I want to do is create my locations. I've already kind of worked on some of them today. I think when I started the video, I was looking at some of the locations, yes, to actually make them more sense. So if you can't tell, C is the like what's its face? Where's all my stickers and stuff on the desk? Is that an area? And then you have the row. And then the next one will be the bay, and the next one will be the level, and the last one is the position. So I'm trying to now create let's actually trying to create, yeah, as a Panadol, the previous one. Nah, don't ask. I am trying to create locations. Let's make some comment. Yes, I know the mouse is a massive. The cursor, yeah, that was kind of the point. So you can see it better, hopefully. Do I need this? Let's just have a look. Yeah, let's try to... Something went sideways. My copy is not working? Or am I just being too lazy because I can't be bothered to type it in? Okay, very good. And for this, I'll use EN8 just for amusement. I'm sure if someone will be actually using... let's actually go... you know what? Yeah, saw that. When actually someone will be using a proper, you know, labeling for the warehouse, they will get their GSTs or whatever they are called, GNTs, when you purchase from an a body. When you purchase EN8, I think I'm using. Yeah, here we go. Let's actually see what that generates. Okay, not too bad. And the 6. So 7106 will be the parity. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we can purchase like world unique or country unique barcode prefixes and all the fun jazz, and you can, yeah, roll with that. So that's, you know, these barcodes, when I create them for just internal use and testing, these are not going to be recognized worldwide, so you need like a unique one. So that's why you purchase them from this body. I'm sure if you're, you know, looking for it, you'll find it. Or if you're already in the business, you know what I'm talking about. I just don't remember top of my head at the minute. So what I want to do now is to have the location. Okay, EN8, great. What I want probably to have is not such a big a gap, and I'll use, what can I actually use? This is good, but I won't, English not working. I would like maybe to have HR like a break line and the height of, I don't know, 10 pixels, and okay, I might keep that for just entertainment purposes, just in case it decides to go funny. Okay, I'll try this. Ignore all the other commentary, I just copied it. And this is how usually I work when I just have to create one-offs. Is just, yeah, put something together, make it work, I don't care. Because I'll be printing this on my thermal printer. Okay, there is some location at the bottom. Is it what I wanted, really? Or is it not what I wanted? Okay. It looks like it's... Oh, okay, because it cuts into the actual paper. Okay, I don't care for that. It's not black, it's gray, but irrelevant. I don't think that's unless, you know what, maybe I'm botching it. Let's try. And I never remember, before you tell me off, which one is the white color, which one is the black color. I just never do, if it's FFF or 000 and still gray. Okay. You know what? That's totally irrelevant. So I'm gonna leave that to it. Now, the next thing is I want to have same kind of layout and less of a gap here, I think. Do I want? Okay, let's do that. Let's botch it a bit. So what I want is, yeah, case quantity, ignore that. Font size, I am not going to use that. I am going to create a second location here. The question is, should that be that one or the one above? Probably the one above, because what I want to do is I want to use, crikey, I can't talk and map it. I can't talk and then do this at the same time. And now that I'm thinking about it, it should be the other way around, shouldn't it? Yep, because this will be the bottom, as in at the bottom of the sheet, and one at the top, and I want to go up and up, so I want to have like a location with two levels. So probably I should do it this way, because it might be a bit more user friendly. 2A, and this will be a 1A. Perfect. So I got a barcode here for that one, which probably means I can totally ignore that altogether because of reasons. And here, oh, I need the second barcode. Okay, very good. I'm gonna need some sort of a breaker. Yeah, I know it's all botched. I could do it better. I know, you can scream at me if you want. I don't care. Now another barcode. It can't be the same one as I've had here. So I'm gonna close all of this. And I'm going to generate another 7-digit. One more time for good measure. Why not? Get this in, get the code in, E and 8, lovely, and that's an 8 at the end. Okay, so add an 8, and now copy the files over to the web server and see how badly it explodes in my face. Okay, not bad at all. So as you can tell, this is the bottom one. There'll be a second one that'll be probably down here with a B, and he will be a B2 with the what you call it, level 2. So I can have like a massive kind of one bay with 2 bins. That's what I'm kind of going for. So it's gonna be a bay with 2 levels and 2 bins there. So let's actually fix some of that. I want to make it a bit more uniform. So the gap is gonna be of a less. Top height, okay, that's fine. I don't care about that. Where is the text? It's this, isn't it? Oh, it looks like it doesn't have anything. Okay. For pure amusement purposes, let's give that a shot and see if it'll just, if it's just a default. Yeah, it looks like it's just a default space between them. Okay, very good. That's actually what I'm looking for. Looks really good. I might just adjust the top top height of that. This my OCD is gonna kick in. Well, kind of OCD. Just like for some things it'll just annoy the life out of me, and for some I'll be like, don't care. Okay, now I don't care. Let's do it enough. So now I will create the other bin location label, the B. So I'm gonna be rather not caring about how this looks. It's just a one-off. I will just create a B bin and also a B bin. B bin. Doesn't sound right at all. And before I go full bananas, let me generate another number. I'll need 2, obviously. Paste it, generate me another one, and it has a code of 444. Really? Okay. Yeah, really. Ooh. Okay. So 44. Plunked it in, and I need one more to be generated. Close this. Generate 49. Oh, nice. I'm gonna plug it in here, generate me a lovely, and there's a 5 at the end, a beautiful 375. Save that. Obviously, you know, once I will be implementing more of the features into the web into the dev VMS, I will be going for this standard generation as well. Will be implemented, but will be done like better with everything thought out, and after, you know, like the nth iteration, because something will be annoying the hell out of me. So now, as you can tell, I got my locations, and yeah, they will be next to each other. So same area, same row, same bay, just different levels and different bin locations, which the bees will be here. Yeah, that will be easy for me to glue it on and scan it, and then I'll have another sheet with these products as well. So everything will be hunky-dory. And the other thing I need to look at is to actually populate them barcodes here. As you can tell, I've been just botching it with some rando stuff. But unfortunately I can't do that anymore, because I want to do like proper okay, so this is C1A. Is it this one? Is it this one? Yeah. Boom. That's the first one. Ah, it's so confusing, isn't it? And the top one is this one. Not confusing at all, but who cares? I'll need to do it once and do it correctly to write some changes just in case something breaks. Okay, and now the B location barcode. Where's the B? 1B? Was it 1B? 1B, okay. It's this one. So let's populate that here. And the... Did I botch it? 1B should be this. And 2B, yeah, that's so confusing. 2B is going to be, shoot me in the face, is this one, isn't it? Why do I have a feeling that I'm not getting something right? Okay. Here we go. Now let's just write the changes and go to the main admin warehouse locations. Yeah, don't ask. Yeah, they all should have now these codes, and I could potentially check randomly if it's working. Well, let's try the BB one. It's a 35. Scroll down. Scroll down. 1B? 35. Perfect. It's exactly what I had envisioned here. Very good. Okay, they're all different. That should be just fine. So yeah, these are the kind of tools I use to get this rolling and to add changes, and I'll be printing this soon. I am rambling, but it's difficult to actually do some work and explain what you're doing at the same time. And I think, do I need some location? No, I don't need that. Yeah, I think that's it for this one. I'll probably print them off and glue them and post it on Twitter for pure amusement, for people to tell me off how bad I am at this. But yeah, I'm generally enjoying this, and yeah, I'm sorry it was so boring. Yes. What if I refresh this now? Will it break? Because I did add. Let's just before I go. Oh, it doesn't care with the one with these. Oh, it doesn't actually care with the Ian 8, so I can put them with 8 straight away. I think as long as the checksum is correct. Let's actually try that. Might be the case. Yes, okay, so as long as the checksum is correct, it doesn't care that it's 8 characters and not 7, because it wants 7, so it generates the checksum. But I think, yeah, that proves it. If you get the checksum right, it will not care that you've entered 8 characters. 8 characters. English is difficult today. Yeah, that's definitely it. Okay, that's it for today. I'm not gonna bore you anymore. Alright, take care. Thanks for watching.